Welcome to Kusum.net. This is ASP.NET MVC tutorial and you are watching part 61 named sections in layout files. So before watching this video, please watch my previous parts, part 58, 59 and part 60. In part 60, I was explained about view start in ASP.NET MVC, and now in this session you will learn named sections in layout files of MVC in place of view start. Okay. So at the moment, on all the views, index, create, details, delete, edit, we see the same navigation menu. Okay, like this list of index in all the views, edit, detail, delete, this list of indexes. But I want to change these menu items. If I click on edit view, edit link, then that edit view will display the links of index, means a list of index, details and delete links. Okay, so for that, what I have to change, I have to make a difference in this menu section. Okay, there is header, footer, this content view, this menu section. So inside of the menu section, how to change the details of these links for the edit view. Let's see. So we want to change the navigation menu dynamically. For example, if I am on the edit view, then I want the navigation menu to contain links for list, details and relatives like this, right? So let's flip to the Visual Studio and check. Okay. So this is my controller, and inside of that I have used a different layout, like in details method I was used this partial view. So let's delete it and put action result here, change return view, and I will delete all this just to put the name of the object. Same like that in the create view, I will use I will delete this different layout from here and just pass a view. Okay, so this create method, detail method, now we'll use only one layout using Google Chrome, because in the view start I was explained or written a method that if the browser is Google Chrome, then return the part of this layout file, or otherwise return this part of different layout. Presently I have used this Google Chrome browser, so no need to it is fixed that it will use the layout.cshtml. Okay, so this create details and now delete also don't have anything, the layout or any property of the. Okay, and from the controller side I have delete all this partial view settings and the views settings, and inside of the delete there is no settings. Inside of edit also no have settings for display a different partial view. Okay, no. Okay, so let's go to the different side, and you can see here two simple steps to achieve this. Step one is define menu sections in edit view. To define a section, use @section followed by the name of the sections. Means if you want to display in the edit view the three links in the menu section, then you will use this code @section menu, and inside of that, however, whatever you want the links, you can include in it. Okay, and then you will step 2, in the layout file you will use this code. Okay, at the render section, a menu, so it will display in the edit with 3 links. Okay, so let's go to the Visual Studio, and we just want to display 3 links inside of the edit view, because in the edit view we can navigate to the list in that detail or index. Okay, so let's go to the edit view, right click on this edit view method, go to view. Okay, this is my edit menu. Now inside of this I will write a section menu. So at the rate section, name of the section is menu, curly brackets. Now define all the links which you want to display. So we'll write at the rate html dot action link and pass the name of the link. Here suppose it is list of index, so list all. Okay, and the name of the view, that is index. Okay, now after this I will put breakpoint so that it will downside of the another link will be downside of this. So at the rate html dot action link, inside of that I will plus, suppose want to display details view. Okay, so write the name of the link, details of customer. Okay, and we'll write the name of the view, that is details. Okay, details, and put the breakpoint at the rate html dot action link. Now want to display list details and delete. Okay, delete customer, and the name of the view, delete. Okay, and this is a delete view except the id. So using id we can display the delete view. So new, inside of curly brackets, id equal to, we'll use this model, customer model. So model dot id, customer id, right? Same like this, details you also use the id to display the record. So new id equal to model dot customer id, right? Okay, so another technique is that you will write this type of all the links inside of all the views. Okay, and display whatever you like. But if you want to display using a single file and no need to define in every view, then you will use this technique at the red section menu. Okay, now I will go to this layout file, because this layout.cshtml is the background, or layout file is the background of this all views, right? So go to this layout and changes in that, where you will change here. Okay, presently this is this all the views displays this link. Okay, only list of index. So I will delete it, and I want to display this three links in the edit view and this same link in the list of index or details or delete. Okay, so so this 3D section will be modified. Okay, 3D, and inside of this 3D we'll write @render section, @render section, or you can just simply write like this, and inside of that pass the menu, name of that menu. Okay, and just comment it, Control K C, render body section, not render body section, render section, same like this, render section. Okay, menu. So now display the edit. Presently it displays the error because we have this used this section for only edit menu. Okay, uh, for that we will change the settings. So we will write here same like this code, iterative is section defined menu, then render section menu false, otherwise display this link. Okay, so only for edit menu it will display this section. Okay, and for that we have to use this false because by default this is true. So if we don't define this false, then the error will be continuous in every view. Okay, so @if is section defined. So @if presently there is error because this is only for edit view and other links will not work for it. So for that we will use this technique, @if is section defined, which section defined, menu. So if menu section defined, then use this @render section menu. So cut it, paste it here, and else for other views defined this link. Okay, cut it from here and paste it here. Okay, so the error now we removed, and to delete this white space you will use like this and delete. Okay, same like this. Okay, render section menu false, we will put it false because only this for edit menu, and for other section it doesn't use these three links. Okay, so for other sections it will display this list of index, and for only edit menu it will display that three links, with three links whichever I define in this additive direct section menu. Okay, now let's save it and check it, run it again. Before run it, build it. Right, you can see here this is my edit view, and this list all for index view and details of customer for detail view and delete customer for delete view. Let's change it this more. So in place of details of customer, I just use this details name. So we'll display perfectly in the view. Save it. Refresh this page using F5. Right now you can see all this. And when I click on this list all, it will display the index view. Go for the edit view, click on details view. It will display details view with only this list of index link. Okay, all the other views, all the other views uh, except edit view, it will display only one link list of index. Why? Because in layout section of the main we have declared this condition. Okay, only for edit that 3 links, and for other links for other views this one. Okay, so no. Okay, so this is the end of my video session, and thank you for listening my video. If you like this video, please like it, share it, subscribe it. Thank you. Have a great day.